Okay, hi, alright. This is me again, Silas Ivan Charles. Yeah, and I have a bachelor's degree in environmental engineering. And I'm making this new series called Mr. Universe versus the Gods. Yeah, and I'm actually looking for sponsors. So if you want to sponsor me, my number is 295-4287. Or you could approach me, and about with some money in private. I don't want too many people seeing that could breed jealousy. Okay, right. Okay, yeah. Okay, just to talk a little bit more about the universe, right? Okay. So, what is the universe? The universe is basically everything around us. Everything. The stars, the sun, the earth, time, energy. Okay? Right. Now, when you talk about the origin of the universe, you don't want to misunderstand it to mean the creation of the universe out of nothing, out of nothingness to create the universe. Origin basically indicates a time in which something starts, right? And the inception here is the change of form of the universe, basically, right? Because the universe is energy, and energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can only be converted from one form to the other, right? So before the inception of the universe as we know it today, with the heavens, the stars and the galaxies and everything, the universe existed in a form which was a tiny particle or a tiny center where all of the universe's mass as we know today existed, right? And then there was a huge explosion, like what happens during the explosion of a bomb. Yeah, if you could remember Albert Einstein's formula, the famous formula of general relativity, which is E is equal to mc squared, that energy can be converted to matter, right? So that's what basically happened during the origin of the universe, right? Yeah, that's what basically happened. So the universe changes its form. Okay, so but in the Bible they talk about creation, that God created the heavens and the earth, and that is incorrect. Yeah, that is incorrect. Yeah, creation implies creating something out of nothingness. So the universe basically, to recap, existed in a particular form, which is, as I mentioned before, as a small center with all of the universe's mass as we know it today concentrated in this form, and then there was a huge explosion which scientists call the Big Bang, and then you had all of the universe's matter flying from that explosion, and then through geological processes you had the formation of the earth, the stars and everything, and so on. Right. Yeah. Now, as for an afterlife, I would like to think that there is an afterlife, as energy is neither created nor destroyed. So possibly when we die, we just go from one form to the other, because the universe is everything, and we are part of the universe. Okay, so the universe is in us. Okay, and it changes form, right? So to culture people to accept that, they will accept change in the environment and natural change, and as the universe is expanding and constantly building, they will accept progress as a natural law of life. So if you could accept that doctrine, it would be way better. We could see things differently. But when you accept religion and creation, we see things settling. Everything was created at once and it stopped. Okay, but the universe, according to the Big Bang Theory, is still forming. It's still forming, it's still changing form. Okay, so And that is very important in environmental education, because we want people to understand that the environment constantly is something that's constantly changing. The environment is something that's constantly changing. The sea is changing, the weather is changing, the climate is changing, and so you have to adapt to it. So okay, anyway, back to the afterlife concept. Afterlife. The Bible talks about hellfire. Why would a God punish you for 6 years of sin for eternal condemnation in hell? That doesn't make sense to me. Okay, when you die, as you are part of the universe, and we are like gods, as the universe is God and everything around us, all entities, we are like gods. We are to be proactive in shaping our lives. We are to take care of the environment, and we are to do these things. We are to develop technology and sciences, because we are like gods, because we are part of the universe. The universe is everything around us. So possibly when we die, we just take a different form. Okay, but anyway, this is enough for today. Still, as Ivan Charles, I'm looking for sponsors, so I give you my number and everything. So yeah, until the next video, thank you for listening.